Introduction, Farming Conversation Practice 100 Questions and Answers. Farming is not just a way of life, it's the backbone of every nation. Farmers grow the food we eat, and their daily work is full of learning, planning, and challenges. In this special collection of 100 questions and answers, learners will explore real-life English conversation about farming, from planting seeds to selling crops in the market. These questions are designed for English learners who want to improve vocabulary related to farming, practice asking and answering questions in natural English, understand daily life and challenges faced by farmers, build confidence in speaking through simple, practical dialogues. You'll find questions on topics like types of crops, farming methods, tools and techniques, climate and soil, market and income, modern farming trends. Whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, or someone passionate about agriculture, this question and answer set will help you connect English learning with real-world knowledge. Let's get started, one question at a time. Farming conversation.
What is farming?
Farming is the practice of growing crops and raising animals for food and other products.
Why is farming important?
Farming provides food, raw materials, and employment for many people.
Do you live in a farming area?
Yes, my village is surrounded by farms.
What crops do farmers grow in your area?
Mostly wheat, rice, and sugarcane.
When is the best time to plant crops?
It depends on the crop and the season.
What tools do farmers use?
Farmers use plows, tractors, harvesters, and irrigation systems.
Do farmers use modern machines nowadays?
Yes, most farmers use machines to save time and labor.
What is organic farming?
Organic farming means growing food without using chemicals.
Do you think farming is easy?
No, it's hard work and depends a lot on the weather.
What do you like about farming?
I like being close to nature and growing food with my own hands.
What animals do farmers keep?
They keep cows, goats, buffaloes, chickens, and sheep.
What is irrigation?
Irrigation is the supply of water to crops using canals or pipes.
How do farmers water their fields?
They use tube wells, canals, and drip irrigation systems.
What is a tractor used for?
A tractor helps in plowing, planting, and harvesting.
What is the difference between a farmer and a gardener?
A farmer grows food on a large scale, a gardener takes care of plants in small areas.
What do farmers do during the monsoon?
They prepare fields, sow seeds, and hope for good rain.
How do pests affect crops?
Pests damage the crops and reduce the harvest.
How do farmers protect their crops from pests?
They use pesticides or natural methods like neem spray.
What is crop rotation?
Crop rotation means changing the type of crop grown in a field every season.
Why is crop rotation important?
It helps maintain soil fertility and reduces pests.
What is fertilizer?
Fertilizer is a substance added to soil to help plants grow better.
What is a cooperative society in farming?
It's a group of farmers who work together and share resources, profit, and support.
What is seasonal farming?
Seasonal farming means growing crops according to the best climate and time of year.
Why is water conservation important in farming?
Because farming uses a lot of water and water is becoming scarce.
How can farmers conserve water?
They can use drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and avoid overwatering.
What is sustainable farming?
Farming that protects the environment and uses resources wisely for future generations.
What is the biggest threat to farming today?
Climate change, soil degradation, and high costs of farming.
What is a scarecrow used for?
It's used to scare away birds from eating seeds in crops.
How do farmers keep animals away from their fields?
They use fences, lights, sounds, and scarecrows.
What are genetically modified, GM, crops?
GM crops are scientifically changed to improve growth, resistance, or quality.
Are GM crops good or bad?
They have benefits and risks. It depends on how they are used.
What is precision farming?
It's using technology like GPS and data to farm more accurately and efficiently.
What is terrace farming?
It's growing crops on steps cut into hillsides to prevent soil erosion.
What is mixed farming?
It's growing crops and raising animals together on the same farm.
What are weeds and why are they a problem?
Weeds are unwanted plants that compete with crops for water, light, and nutrients.
How do farmers prepare the soil before planting?
They plow, level, and add compost or fertilizers to enrich the soil.
What is monocropping?
Growing only one type of crop in a large field.
What is the disadvantage of monocropping?
It reduces soil fertility and increases risk of pest attack.
What is intercropping?
Growing two or more crops in the same field at the same time.
Why do farmers practice intercropping?
It saves space, improves soil, and reduces pest problems.
What is a plow used for?
A plow is used to turn and loosen the soil for planting.
What does a harvester do?
A harvester cuts and collects crops from the field.
What is threshing?
Threshing separates grains from the harvested crop.
What is winnowing?
Winnowing separates grains from husks using wind or air.
Do all farmers own their land?
No, some are landowners, and others are tenant farmers who rent land.
What problems do small farmers face?
They often lack money, tools, irrigation, and access to markets.
How do farmers get loans?
They take loans from banks, cooperatives, or sometimes moneylenders.
Why is farming risky?
Because it depends on weather, pests, and market rates.
What is agricultural insurance?
It protects farmers from crop loss due to natural disasters or other risks.
What role do women play in farming?
Women help in planting, weeding, harvesting, and even managing farms.
What is the future of farming?
The future includes smart farming with drones, sensors, and data analysis.
What is vertical farming?
It's growing crops in stacked layers, often indoors with controlled conditions.
How do farmers check weather conditions?
They use weather apps, local news, and radio updates.
Why is soil testing important?
It tells farmers about soil health and what nutrients are needed.
Can farming be profitable?
Yes, with the right methods, support, and planning, farming can be profitable.
What is a nursery in farming?
A nursery is a place where young plants are grown before being planted in the field.
Why do farmers transplant seedlings?
To give them a better chance to grow strong in the field.
What is a cash crop in India?
Cotton, sugarcane, coffee, and tea are common cash crops in India.
What is a rabi crop?
Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in spring, like wheat and mustard.
What is a kharif crop?
Kharif crops are sown in monsoon and harvested in autumn, like rice and maize.
What is a zaid crop?
Zaid crops are grown between Rabi and Kharif seasons, like watermelon and cucumber.
Why do some farmers shift to dairy or poultry farming?
For extra income and to reduce dependence on crops.
What are some modern techniques in farming?
drones, soil sensors, GPS mapping, and mobile apps for weather and pricing.
What is a subsidy?
It is financial help given by the government to reduce farming costs.
What is the role of Krishi Vigyan Kendras, KVK?
KVKs train farmers in modern methods and help improve their productivity.
What is climate-smart agriculture?
It's farming that adapts to climate change and reduces its impact.
What does crop failure mean?
It means the crops did not grow well due to bad weather, pests, or disease.
How can farmers reduce crop failure?
By using better seeds, weather updates, and pest control.
What is soil erosion?
It's when wind or water removes the top layer of soil, making land less fertile.
How can soil erosion be controlled?
By planting trees, using terraces, and avoiding overgrazing.
What is natural farming?
Natural farming avoids all chemicals and follows eco-friendly practices.
Why do some young people avoid farming?
They see it as hard work with low returns and prefer city jobs.
How can we make farming attractive to youth?
By using technology, giving training, and ensuring better income.
What is a kitchen garden?
A small garden near the house where vegetables and herbs are grown for home use.
What message would you give to farmers?
Keep learning, use smart methods, and stay proud. Farming feeds the world.
What kinds of fertilizers do farmers use?
They use natural fertilizers like compost and manure, and chemical fertilizers.
What is compost?
Compost is made by decomposing organic waste like food scraps and leaves.
Is chemical fertilizer harmful?
If used too much, it can harm the soil and environment.
What is sowing?
Sowing is the process of planting seeds in the soil.
What is harvesting?
Harvesting is the process of collecting ripe crops from the fields.
What happens after harvesting?
Farmers separate the grain, dry it, and store or sell it.
How do farmers store crops?
They use granaries, sacks, and cold storage depending on the crop.
What challenges do farmers face?
Farmers face problems like bad weather, pests, low prices, and lack of water.
Do farmers get help from the government?
Yes, sometimes they get subsidies, loans, seeds, and training.
What is a farmer's daily routine?
A farmer wakes up early, checks the fields, feeds animals, and works all day.
How do farmers check if the crop is healthy?
They look at the leaves, growth, color, and signs of pests.
What is rain-fed farming?
Rain-fed farming depends only on rainfall for water.
What is irrigation farming?
It uses artificial sources of water like canals and tube wells.
How does climate change affect farming?
It causes irregular rainfall, droughts, and floods that harm crops.
What is greenhouse farming?
Greenhouse farming grows plants in controlled environments using glass or plastic houses.
What are cash crops?
Cash crops like cotton, coffee, and tea are grown for selling, not for eating.
What are food crops?
Food crops like rice, wheat, and vegetables are grown for eating.
Can farming be done in cities?
Yes, through urban farming like rooftop gardening and hydroponics.
What is hydroponic farming?
It is a method of growing plants in water without soil.
How do farmers sell their crops?
They sell them in markets, to wholesalers, or through government centers.
What is a farmer's market?
A farmer's market is a place where farmers sell their produce directly to consumers.
Do farmers make a good income?
Not always. Their income depends on crop yield and market prices.
What is contract farming?
In contract farming, Companies agree to buy crops from farmers at a fixed price.
What is the minimum support price, MSP?
It's the price the government promises to pay for certain crops to protect farmers.
What is the role of middlemen in farming?
Middlemen buy crops from farmers and sell them in bigger markets, often taking a large share of profit.